Join me as I dive into some mind-blowing cultures from around the world that I bet you've never even heard of. When we think about cultures, we often imagine something very familiar, something from our own background or from what's commonly portrayed in media. But the truth is, our world is home to thousands of cultures, each with its own unique practices, traditions, and ways of life. Exploring these cultures isn't just about learning new facts, it's about understanding the depth of human experience and what makes us all so wonderfully different. Whether it's a festival, a traditional meal, or a daily practice, every culture has something to offer that can broaden our perspectives and enrich our lives. The diversity of cultures around the globe is truly what makes our world so fascinating. From the colorful streets of Rio during Carnival to the serene landscapes of rural Japan, every culture has its own story to tell. By diving into these stories, we can discover the beauty of human creativity and resilience. So, let's embark on this journey to unveil some of the most amazing cultures out there. There's a common misconception that cultures are homogeneous, that within a certain group of people, everyone believes and practices the same things, but that's far from the truth. Think about it, even within your own culture, there are countless variations. Different regions, social classes, and generations all contribute to a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices. This misconception leads to a lack of appreciation for the unique practices and beliefs in different societies. When we generalize cultures, we miss out on the intricate details that make each one special. It's like looking at a painting from too far away. You might see the broad strokes, but you miss the fine details that make it truly beautiful. We also tend to think that our own culture is the standard, that everyone else's practices are somehow other or exotic. But the reality is every culture has its own norms and values that make sense within its own context. The problem with this homogenization is that it can lead to stereotypes and misunderstandings. When we don't take the time to learn about the nuances of different cultures, we risk spreading misinformation, or worse, disrespecting people who are different from us. In reality, cultures are complex and multifaceted. They are made up of countless stories, traditions, and practices that have evolved over time. By acknowledging this complexity, we can begin to appreciate the beauty of cultural diversity. By embracing the diversity of cultures, we can break down barriers and build bridges of understanding. We can learn from each other's strengths and weaknesses, and we can grow as individuals and as a global community. Let's take a look at some incredible cultures around the world. Take, for example, the Maasai people of East Africa, known for their vibrant beadwork and traditional jumping dance. Their culture is not just about aesthetics, it's about community, spirituality, and a deep connection to the land. Or consider the vibrant city of Barcelona and its La Tomatina festival, where participants throw tons of tomatoes at each other in a celebration of food, fun, and community. It's a messy but joyous event that showcases the playful side of human culture. The Holi festival in India and Nepal is another remarkable example, where people gather to celebrate the arrival of spring with colored powders and waters. It's a stunning display of color and joy, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. In Japan, there's a unique culture of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, where people spend time in the woods to rejuvenate their minds and bodies. It's a practice that highlights the importance of nature in our lives. The richness of human diversity is truly astounding. From the Hadza people in Tanzania, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer tribes, to the Inuit of the Arctic, each culture offers a window into a different way of life. In many of these cultures, tradition and modernity coexist in fascinating ways. For instance, in some African countries, traditional drumming and dance are combined with modern instruments and styles, creating a unique sound that's both authentic and innovative. The Day of the Dead in Mexico is another captivating example, where families honor their ancestors with altars, food, and celebrations. It's a beautiful expression of love and respect for those who have come before us. Each of these cultures, in its own way, enriches our world. They remind us that there's more to life than what we experience in our daily routines. One cultural practice that stands out for its uniqueness and impact is the Helly AA festival in the Shetland Islands, Scotland. It's a Viking-themed festival that marks the end of Yule with torchlight processions, music and dancing. What makes Helly so captivating is its blend of history, community and spectacle. It's an event that brings people together, celebrating their heritage and their connection to the land. The festival is a testament to the power of cultural practices to unite people and create lasting memories. The impact of Helly AR on the community is significant. It attracts visitors from around the world, boosting local tourism and pride. But more importantly, it strengthens the bonds among the locals, reminding them of their roots and traditions. In conclusion, we've explored some incredible cultures from around the globe, each with its own unique traditions, festivals, and ways of life. These cultures remind us of the beauty of human diversity and the importance of understanding and appreciating our differences. By embracing cultural diversity, we can build a more compassionate and inclusive world. So, let's continue to explore, learn from, and celebrate the amazing cultures that make our world so rich and fascinating. If you've been inspired by these stories, I'd love to hear about your favorite cultural experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out my other videos on my channel Travel Diaries, okay? Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.